Flutter UI is about widgets, and Flutter widgets are organized and built in a tree-like fashion as shown. Now, when your widget tree gets deeper, you have two choices. Either break down your Flutter widget with a new widget class, or just use a simple helper method. In this tutorial, we will explore the primary differences between using helper methods and separate widgets for modularizing our UI code. Our main focus will be on how these two different approaches influence and impact the process of modularizing our user interface code and its side effect. For example, I have a Flutter UI code here. In this example, we have a repetitive use of icon button widget. Firstly, let's improve this code using helper method. So we will extract this widget out into a separate widget method, and this is called as a helper method. Alternatively, we can also extract this widget into a new widget class. Now, when it comes to choosing between helper methods or a separate widget class for organizing your UI code, there are three main criteria to consider. Firstly, performance. Separate widgets can be more efficient because they only rebuild when their specific input changes, unlike helper methods, which rebuild every time the parent widget changes. When setState method is called within a widget, its entire build method will be rerun. It means when a small part of our UI changes, its entire wrapping widget build method will be rerun, which leads us to unnecessary rebuild method calls. Secondly, testability. Separate widgets are generally easier to test because they can be isolated more easily than helper methods. Suppose that we wanted to test the functionality of our sample icon. In separate widget version, our widget is isolated, and in the process of testing, we just create the needed dependencies. But in helper method versions, we need to reconstruct additional dependencies. Thirdly, accuracy. Code can be easier to navigate and understand when it's organized into separate widgets, as it better follows the single responsibility principle. In conclusion, separate widget method is a more preferable way to organize your UI code compared to helper method. The only benefits of using helper method might be just having to write lesser code. There are no functional benefits of using helper method over separate widget method. So, which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section below. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.